Welcome. If you're looking to boost your Facebook page's presence by adding multiple social links, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest and easiest way to add several social media links to your Facebook page using your PC. This update makes it simpler than ever to connect your audience to all your online platforms. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head straight to Facebook. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will bring up a menu. Select the page you want to update from there. Now that you're on your page, find and click on the About section. This is where all your page's key details live, and it's also where you'll add your social links. Next, look for the option that says Add a social link. Click on it, and a new field will appear. Here, you can type in or paste the link to your social media profile. Whether it's Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, or any other platform, just enter the full web address. After you've added the link, you'll see a drop-down menu to choose the type of website or social platform you're linking to. Select the correct option to make sure your link is displayed with the right icon and label. Want to add more than one link? No problem. Just click Add a social link again and repeat the same steps for each additional profile you want to include. You can add as many as you need, making it easy for your followers to find you everywhere online. Once you've entered all your social links, don't forget to click Save. This will update your page, and your new social links will now be visible to everyone who visits. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can connect your Facebook page visitors to all your other social platforms. Give it a try and help your audience stay connected with you across the web. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.